So dear students, here are the very important questions in Excel Foundation Bcom 5th sem. It is common for 16, 17, 18 batch. So before going to the video, please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education. So in future, whatever the videos I'm going to upload in my channel, so you can make use of these videos. Okay. So the first question is long answer. So unit 1 long answers are: what is Excel? Explain the features of Excel 2013. So explain the parts of components and elements of layout or the Excel of 2023. So next, what is ribbon? Explain various types of ribbon or commands in ribbon. So both are same questions. Okay. So when it is comes to the next fourth question, what is ribbon? Explain the different types of commands or buttons on the ribbon. So next, what is worksheet? Explain the various ways to move around the worksheet: creating, selecting, navigating, entering, editing cells. So this you need to write. Now what is chart? Explain the different types of charts in Excel 2013. So these are all are very important questions. So please subscribe my channel. So in my YouTube channel, so I'm going to upload the job related information or any government related job notification information or any competitive exams related information will be uploaded in my channel. So you can make use of my channel videos. Please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education. So when it is comes to the seventh question, what is print pan in 2013 and different options available in print pan and steps involved in printing worksheet. So whenever you are taking any printout in Excel, so what are the steps we are going to follow, that we need to explain. So what are the different data types in Excel 2003? You know the number data type. Okay, now default will be there, date, time, okay, long date, short date. So these are all are different types of data types. Explain the data entry techniques. So how to enter the data. So different types of techniques you have to. So these are unit number 1 questions. So when it is comes to the unit number 2, explain about the various operations that can be performed on Excel window and workbook with steps, moving, resizing and switching among windows. So next, when it is comes to the next question, so what is worksheet? Explain the operations that can be performed in Excel worksheet with steps. Next question is, what is worksheet view? And explain the different views in detail. So what is range cells and different types, different ways of selecting different range cells. Okay. Next, explain paste special and its operations in detail. So paste special, so many options are there, so that all options you have to explain. Total 8 options will be there, that all the 8 options you have to explain. What is comment? Okay. And explain the process to create and format the comments in Excel. So these are unit 2 questions. So when it is come to the unit 3 questions, so what is table? Different table related operations. Next, define table and write the steps to involved in creation of a table in Excel. And what is table? Explain how to change look or style of a table. So these are very easy questions. So you know how to create table, format table and everything you have to explain. So I'm saying my suggestion is, in Excel, if you learn the answers from the book, you may not understand. So what are the questions which I'm giving here? So please do some practicals about these questions. So once you do the practicals on these questions, just observe what are the things which are happening, so that just visualize those things and write it in final exam. You can write the exam very easily. But if you simply learn the answer, you may not write the answer in final exam. Okay. Next, write the steps involved in adding and deleting a rows and columns in table. So next, fifth, discuss the method of removing duplicate rows from the table. So next, explain the sorting and filtering in Excel 2023 in detail. So what is formatting? Explain the different formatting tools on the home tab. Next, define names, naming styles and explain how to create and modify the naming styles. So these are unit number 3. And when it is comes to the unit number 4, what is workbook or Excel file? Explain workbook related operations in 2023. So what is auto recovery? So explain about how to recover the Excel files in detail. So explain about how to protect workbook options. So next, what is templates? So you know already templates are nothing but already ready-made designs will be there. So whichever the design you want, just you can make, and you can make some corrections. So you can change the color or you can add or remove the new columns and that we can do. So next, when it is comes to the question number 5, so explain the custom template. So these are about the unit number uh, 4. So when it is comes to the last unit, explain different worksheet views in Excel 2013. So explain different different print options. So next, define page break. Explain how to add or insert and remove page breaks, and explain the different ways of adjusting the page margins. So next, explain the header and footer options and elements in the Excel 13. So explain how to prevent cells and objects from being printed. So define custom view and explain the process how to create a custom view. So what is PDF, and explain how to create PDF or XPS files in Excel 2013. So what is electronic document? Explain how to create export worksheet as PDF or XPS file. So up to here I completed long answers. Now when it is come to the short answers, applications of MS Excel or spreadsheet, backstage view, file tab. So next is shortcut menus, dialog boxes, task pans. Next, parts or elements of chart. So next, data types in Excel. So these are unit 1 short answers. Then when it is come to unit 2, explain Excel window buttons, control buttons, visibility, hide and unhide. Okay, comparing sheets side by side. So these are unit 2 important questions. So when it is comes to the unit freeze in Excel, so cell referencing, paste special. So some of the questions which are already covered in your long answers, so don't worry, so you don't feel that so many questions are there. Some of the questions already be completed in long. So once you understand long questions, you can write easily. So auto formatting, table style option. So already you have learned this question in long answer. So table total row, and sorting, filtering and slicer, and next converting the table to range. So next, mini toolbar and text alignments and text controls. Okay, then wrapping, naming styles, cell styles. And next, when it is comes to the unit 4, auto recovery, this also completed in long answer. Manage workbook and protect workbook, this also you learned in long answer. Check for issues, backstage view. So next one is check compatibility, and next, templates, this also completed default template. So these are very important questions. Please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education. So please like, share, subscribe my channel, so it will be very useful for your friends and your family members and everyone. So just okay, thank you, all the best for your exam.